One great way in Zoom that you can communicate with your teacher without interrupting your entire class is to give nonverbal feedback. So just like in the regular classroom, right, if we had a question, we could raise our hand. We could give a thumbs up or a thumbs down if we agreed or disagreed with something. There are ways that we could share with our teacher what we are thinking without having to talk and interrupt everything that's happening. And you can do that in Zoom too. So at the bottom of your screen, you will see a button that says participants. If you click that, it'll open it up on the side and it's going to show a list of everybody that is in your Zoom class with you. And so to give your nonverbal feedback, you will see that there are a bunch of options here at the bottom. So I could raise my hand. And what happens is my teacher and everyone else in class can see that I have a little hand now up, right? So my teacher can see, oh, you know what? Test student has a question. I need to make sure I come back and ask him or her that what is on their mind. I can also click yes if I agree with something, or no if I disagree with something. Maybe the teacher asked a question and they're asking us yes or no. And there's also a few other options here. So other ones you might use in more, if you just hover your cursor over that, is the thumbs down and the thumbs up. Those are two other ones that I know some people like to use a lot. So thumbs down, thumbs up, yes or no, and raise your hand. And when the teacher is done with all of that, they can clear it too. So they can make it go away once they've answered it or they've gotten the information that they need.